Ever get to this time of year and your wallet's like, yeah, well, me too. So let's make some cool gifts for under $5. Yeah, let's. Hello and welcome to Do It Today. We are going to be making some custom gifts for under $5. I'm going to start off by making this coaster set for my sister and future brother-in-law who just got engaged. Spoiler alerts ahead. So I didn't know if you could see that majestic beast being laser printed, but I figured this would be a great time to cut to making an ornament that is a 3D print. And this is such a great use for a 3D printer because ornaments can be a bit pricey and not as personalized. So what I did was I found a little puppy golden retriever online, brought it into Tinkercad, and I just added a ring to the top. And presto, you've got yourself an ornament that prints out in a couple of hours, and it's not going to rob the bank. So I get a plethora of good ideas from Simon, and this just happens to be one of them. I was buying shirts at local big box stores in bulk, and I was getting played. Oh my goodness. Until I found Jiffy Shirts. Not a sponsor, not affiliated. We're not getting any money from them. This is just an honest recommendation. But they sell shirts so cheap that when they've got sales going on, we buy them in bulk for a couple bucks a piece. So I've got 40 or 50 shirts in my basement just ready to go for times like this. And because we print so often now, we bought this heat press because it makes things so much more consistent. I would highly recommend it. So I've hoped that this helped you fill out some last-minute stocking stuffers and kind of made it personal on a budget. If you like this video, we encourage you to hit the thumbs up button, and if you didn't like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon. And as always, thanks for watching.